Let's draw a cute dinosaur. First, start by drawing a circle. This will be the dino's head. Next, draw a big arc. This will form the body. Great! Now let's start adding details.
Green.
Your adorable dinosaur is ready. See you next time for another fun art adventure.